folks, I'd like to introduce you to Paula Wiegmink, which is a lady that we interviewed in Western Australia in 2015. What did you think about being on the show, Paula?
Oh, my word. Talk about a bucket list moment, Graham. Look, it was daunting, it was scary, it was wonderful. But for me, it really made me step outside of my comfort zone.
Mm-hmm.
And I think as an artist, that's really, really important. And I think also what it really, really did for me is gave me a platform to share what I am about as an artist, which is so closely linked to wildlife and conservation. When I first started as an artist, I wanted it to be more than about me, Graham.
Mm-hmm.
And when you approached me and asked me to be on the show, at first I thought, oh, do I really have anything to offer?
Mm-hmm.
And then you phoned me, and I'll never forget that conversation. You phoned me and you said, Paula, I'm so excited. I woke up and in my mind, the whole show's come together. And I want to ask you, will you recreate Tears of the Rhino?
Mm-hmm.
And that was the clincher, Graham.
Yeah.
That was what clinched it for me, because now it was exactly on the path of what I'm about. And in other words, it was not about me. It was about something so much bigger: the animals, the wildlife, the planet, the environment. So Color in Your Life gave me that step onto a platform. And since then, as everybody knows, Color in Your Life has gone global. Mm-hmm. It's in all the countries. Mm-hmm. And then another very exciting thing is when you phoned me and you said to me, Paula, I just have to share this with you. And it was at that point that you were trying to break into a global audience.
Yes.
And I remember that when you filmed me, I said to you, Graham, this is going to become like a franchise. You're going to go really big.
Mm.
And we had that little brief conversation. And then it actually did do that. It went onto a global platform. And you said to me, Paula, I'm approaching some people in the UK, and I've sent over some videos, and I wanted you to know that I sent yours, and you felt that it had an impact on the final decision, because they could see that your program was not about just the art, that there was so much more to it.
Yes.
So it was different to other art programs. So yes, I think never in my wildest dreams, what has Color in Your Life done for me? Hello, I'm going to the moon. Can it get bigger than that?
You've created the most famous rhinoceros picture in the world.
Absolutely. My Tears of the Rhino is going to be the first rhino on the moon, far out. And, I titled that painting, Tears of the Rhino, Hear My Voice.
Yeah. Well, it will now, definitely.
It's got a voice. It got a voice through Color in Your Life. It got a voice through the campaign. And now it's going to have a voice for who knows who, who knows when, who knows how.
Yeah, long time, a long time, I'd say. Yeah. Long
So,
time after we're gone anyway.
So for me, it wasn't so much about boosting teaching classes or being contacted to do demos or anything like that, because I pulled away from that because of my involvement with Artists for Conservation and also painting for a gallery full time. Yeah. But yes, without a doubt, Color in Your Life, well, the program brought color into my life.
That's
without a doubt.
Thank you so much for your time, Paula.
You're very welcome, Graham. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.